Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful recipe for dinner. Now, in this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful, delicioso garlic Thai shrimp dinner. And yes, it is so good. Okay, so let's get into this video right now. Now, what you're going to need to do is start off putting some butter into your pan. You're going to need a pan, and you're going to need at least 3 tablespoons of butter. Now, what I did on the side, and I didn't record it, was chop up 3 stalks of scallions, green onions, and I chopped and diced them up really fine. So now in the pot, what I'm doing is just melting the butter, preparing it. If you don't want to use butter, you can use olive oil. So I'm just going to allow this to melt. Now I'm going to add my chopped green scallions to my pan of butter. And now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of my minced garlic. Next, I'm going to saute this up very well. Now I'm going to put my shrimp in the pot and stir fry it in the butter sauce. Next, I'm going to sprinkle in some fish sauce. I purchased this at my local Korean market. Now I'm going to add in some seasonings, a little bit of black pepper, and you do this to taste. So after working in my black pepper and the butter sauce, I'm going to add in some other seasonings like my garlic powder and my onion powder, and finish sauteing my shrimps until they're cooked. And now I'm adding in a little bit more of my fish sauce, just for more flavor. Now I'm going to add in some of my chili sauce, and about a tablespoon or 2. But like I said, this recipe is to your liking and taste, so season to your taste. Now this step is completely optional, but because I like it super spicy, I'm also going to add in some cayenne pepper. Off camera, I added cornstarch, and that was to thicken up the gravy because there was a lot of condensation. So I wanted to thicken it up a little bit to give it a bit more flavor when I put it on the rice. And that's what's showing right now, that the gravy is actually thickened up now. And as you can see, it's such a nice, rich looking sauce. And now that it's finished, I'm going to turn off my stove and get ready for serving. And this is the end result. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my gosh. You can see the spices, you can see the minced garlic, and oh my god, the flavor, the flakes of the hot sweet chili sauce. Oh, I'm ready to eat, okay? So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. If you want to see more meal ideas, let me know down below. I have those videos out for you. And I want to thank you again for joining me. Also check down below my eBay store for wonderful herbs and spices, as well as herbal honeys for medicinal benefits for your body, as well as boosting up your male and female organs. I mean, it does so much. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care, and even videos like this. Lots of different meal ideas, some of them not for weight loss, okay? But you guys, I want to thank you for joining me, and I want to invite you to come back on the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.